Hey, what's going on, people? It's Triz, your boy. I just copped this Protocol Tiger Jet from Best Buy. We're gonna do an unbox, a flight, and a review. It's a Tiger Jet 3.5 channel remote control helicopter from Protocol. It's kind of small, smaller than the flicks that I have, but we're gonna check it out. We're getting ready to unbox this now. I already took out the remote control and the this is the adapter it charges with. It didn't come with a screwdriver, but it did come with an extra tail blade. So let's get this open. So this is it. Pretty nice little. It's actually very cute. Very nice. Very nice. It's pretty cool. We'll fly that. Get that down there. Don't matter. What I really like about this controller is if you flip it to the back, you can pop this back side open and you can actually charge the helicopter from the controller. It takes 6 AA batteries. I don't know why, but that's what it takes, and you can just plug this into the to the side right here and it'll charge from the controller. But I'd rather not kill the batteries. So that's pretty cool. Stabilize. So that's basically an unbox. Let's get this thing flying. Alright, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn on the chopper. It's on the right hand side. Flick it back. It's on. Those lights will start going off. Turn your remote on. Up, down. So it can sync, and let's get this thing flying. Adjust, if it's rotating, just adjust it. Wow, it's very stable. Very stable. Look at that hover. Pretty cool. I would definitely recommend this for a beginner. Definitely. It has 2 channels on the remote also. But that doesn't seem to do anything. Your chopper's already in sync to one of the channels. Beautiful hover. Look at that hover. No hands. Beautiful. See if I can get it through that. Oh, he made it. So I'm going to try to bring him in for a landing here. It has about a 40 to 50 minute charge and you get about 7 minutes flying time. It's pretty cool. Feels like it died out a little earlier than that, but it's pretty cool to, fly around the house, raid rooms and stuff. I would definitely recommend this for people who are beginning with this hobby and who want to get to start getting into this and stuff. I like those lights. It has a beautiful hover, man. Nice, nice. It's just stable. Good for beginners. Doesn't go crazy. You can't do the figure eights like you could do like with the Protocol Flicks and the other ones, but this is a perfect beginner chopper. And I like that it comes with the cord and the remote so you could charge if you're on the go. Definitely not for outdoor use. But yeah, it's definitely pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. I would advise this for somebody, a kid who's starting to learn how to fly these things. But yeah, that's it. Wrap this thing up. Whoa.